Guys, magbe-brainrot tayo. Let's go. Saka maganda ito. Ito kaya maganda, guys. Tingnan natin kung maganda ito. Hindi. Brainrot tayo. Ay, ito nga yung brainrot. Magnanakaw tayo, guys. Magnanakaw tayo. Magkakaw tayo sa brainrot. Manakawan natin sila. Tayo ipigil manakawan tayo, pero sila nanakawan natin. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Di tayo bibili, guys. Nanakawan natin sila. Brainrot ko to. Brainrot ko kayo. Naman sa brainrot. Guys, nakakawan ko. Guys, nagbago na ba si brainrot? Naunahan pa tayo, guys. Ayun naman mga luwa.
Talbot.
Chicken? Pastel. Okay na.
Strawberry flaminge. Cappuccino a strawberry.
Ko siya.
Blueberry.
Mamaya kasunod ko siya.
Rhino tosterino. Rhino tosterino. Rhino tosterino. Rhino tosterino. Rhino tosterino.
Guys, di tayo makakuha.
Rhino tosterino.
star dito, guys. Ang pangit dito.
Rhino Toasterino. Rhino.
Talaga tayo para rin ko. What? Kumain ka dyan. Dyan ako. Dyan ako, kuya.
Ba yan? Bakit? Ano yun?
Wala mo nakuha yun.
Akin na.
Ayaw. Kumain ka sa labas? Kumain ka?
In 24 hours, I'll drop a full YouTube video. Free shot.
I added heart disease to Minecraft. If you eat too much pork, your hearts will start to get diseased, and you'll start to receive random chest pains. This obviously damages the stuff inside your chest, so like damaged blocks are going to end up looking like this, and a damaged totem upon dying will only bring you half back to life. But the more heart disease you have, the more chest pain you'll have, to the point where you'll have to start feeding painkillers to all your chests to keep your items safe. We don't actually know how painkillers work in real life.
Wait.
Pwede naman ang pangalan ko sa hobby. Haswesi. 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 Haswesi.
Anong pagkain niya? Tagal naman ito, napakahang.
So in Minecraft,
Dubik has been officially kicked off Fish. You heard that right, folks? Dubik Studios is officially gone. With official news, they're no longer controlling Fish. The era of pay-to-win nonsense is over. For too long, players watch helplessly as Dubik stuffed the game with overpriced bundles, insane multipliers, and endless cash grabs. Fish went from one of Roblox's most loved fishing simulators to a pay-to-win money pit that drove the community away. But that changes today. Before I tell you the changes,
Movie theaters will hate me for telling you this secret. Hey movie theaters, 2 tickets please. Sure thing, your total is $40. Wait, my tickets should be free. What are you talking about? We don't give out free tickets. Well, since I'm an Amazon Prime member, I
Cellphone na
get
talaga
special
yan.
access to the Amazon original movie premieres at local theaters for free. It includes an extra ticket for a guest, free popcorn, giveaways, and more. All I had to do to reserve my tickets was go to this website, primepremiere.amazon. Movie theaters will hate me for telling you this secret. Hey movie theaters, 2 tickets please. Sure thing, your total is $40. Wait, my tickets should be free. What are you talking about? We don't give out free tickets. Well, since I'm an Amazon Prime member, I get special access to their Amazon original movie premieres at local theaters for free. It includes an extra ticket for a guest, free popcorn, giveaways, and more. All I had to do to reserve my tickets was go to this website, primepremiere.amazon. Movie theaters will hate me for telling you this secret. Hey movie theaters, 2 tickets please. Sure thing, your total is $40.
Ayun na kuya, oh.
Something bad about to happen.
I was acting.
Something bad about to happen.
Ah! Huwag ka na nabulot! Pinapuntok sa akin, gago ka. Pinapuntok sa akin, gago ka. Pinapuntok sa akin. Huwag ka na nabulot bigla. Pinuntok mo ako, gago ka. Bila mo, ano ko, katongan, gago ka. Gago ka rin eh, no? Gago ka. Di ba, inuntog niya yung ulo sa asbel, yung pinutungan pa.
Tama na, Fatima.
Dalawa yung ulam mo.
Tama na, Fatima.
Dalawa yung ulam mo. Gago ka. Hindi. Gago ka. Nasubra ka na eh, kaya lagi. Ano na kayo eh, kaya kayo lagi sa akin eh. O, hindi mo sasadya, ba't ka nakahapas? Gago ka. Kung di mo sasadya, di ka nakahapas, gago.